CBDCs have caught the attention of everyone, right? Large governments, central banks, financial services institutions, payment leaders, as well as crypto enthusiasts. Again, CBDCs are a practical application of blockchain technology, the underlying ability to create tokenization of a real asset, of a currency, and then allowing a level of programmability to it is amazing, right? Because if you look at from a traditional payments perspective, we can do currency transactions, but currencies just have one data point, which is the value and what's it, the backing it, but you don't have additional messaging architecture aligned to it so that you can program your money, program your wallets, program every transaction. And that's what CBDC is allowing us to do. And it's interesting because CBDCs, there are so many concepts of CBDCs being a private architecture versus a public architecture versus a hybrid architecture. But whatever happens, I think central bank digital currencies will require a lot of changes in terms of the infrastructure that you need to run it. And I think that's what I wanted to definitely talk to you all about. Is it is an amazing instrument and a thought process and an amazing experiment that a lot of large central banks, more than 50 plus countries are in some stages of experimentation or rollout. There are a few who are so matured and it's so amazing in terms of what they're doing. So this is something which we will see a lot of activity coming our way. So what's going to be interesting is the infrastructure, right? So if you look at the IT infrastructure, we need to have something that allows it to be robust, secured, scalable, agile, as well as the network needs to be resilient. And I think this is going to be a very big challenge as we design and scale the systems. And it cannot work siloed, right? So you have to have CBDCs integrate with existing systems and take care of consumers at every touch point, right? So if I look at if it's a retail CBDC for consumers to use, or it's a commercial CBDC for a B2B transaction, no matter what, you will eventually want the central bank digital currencies to work with all form of devices, channels, payment mechanisms, and it is an amazing opportunity to add a lot of value add services. So kind of bring that along will be critical. And then the ease of compliance, right? You don't need massive armies of people and a lot of technology investments to do compliance. We have an opportunity to design a system that is compliant by design, compliant by its nature. And again, that's going to be beautiful. So again, I'm looking forward to how the technology shapes up over this decade and the next. Stay tuned with us as we talk more about this.